Hi everybody, my name is Ruthie and I'm so grateful to be here at Flex Hot Yoga Studio. So I've been teaching for over 6 years and 5 of those years I've been actually here at Flex Hot Yoga. So I really regard this as my home studio for a number of reasons. The first one is that I'm a teacher guide here and I really love to interact with the students, hold space for them and also really work with breath and presence. Secondly, I'm also assisting in the teacher training program, which I really love because that's the other part of my life, which is experience, and I really feel like that's really important to bring that insight and wisdom, if you could call it, to the teacher training. And thirdly, the most important one for me is that I'm a student. I'm open to learning and that you can also find me here on the mat at Flex Hot Yoga. So when you come to my classes, I like to think about it as a lot of fun. We get to explore and play. There's levity, so there's a lightness within all of that, and a different perspective. And I will challenge you if you want. So I look forward to seeing you here at Flex Hot Yoga soon. Namaste.